So this is another setup. The what is this USB socket, and I'm driving everything. This transformer. This is also my new transformer. Another transformer, also capacitive with this variable capacitor. So, and I'm giving the signal from only signal. This signal is not not so strong. About 4.5 volts, but the 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 amps are microamps. So I am able to power this socket, USB socket, and this is the output across the socket. This is across the socket. The green is the current, the yellow is the voltage. See, do you see the current? I have connected the socket directly to the signal generator, as you can see. The socket is connected directly to this, the same signal generator, but nothing. Secret here is tuning. This is free end. If I'm touching, nothing. Touching, I have nothing at the output, almost nothing. And see, if I'm letting, and after seconds, 1 or 2 seconds, the energy is coming. If I'm touching also the frequency is changed, and nothing. And so this is sensitive. Sensitive system, but its work, and it can be down if I'm amplifying here the signal and putting more high voltage. It have a capacity to be made self-run with small watt, about 20 watts up to 50 watts. So if you want to see another interesting experiment, you can go to my Patreon page. There is a lot of interesting information, interesting videos, and for a little subscription fee you can have a very important information. This is open source for my subscribers. This is my Patreon page. There is a lot of valuable information for you. I give you open source. Very interesting information, and you can replicate it and see it for yourself. a lot of videos, a lot of information.